How to add a watermark in Capcut. This tutorial shows you how to create a simple watermark using text on your Android device. First, open the Capcut app on your Android device. After that, tap on the project you want to add a watermark to or start a new one. From there, tap on Text at the bottom toolbar to add a new text element. Tap on Add Text and type in your watermark. This can be your name, username, or brand name. In the next step, customize the font and style to your preference using the text editing options. Following this, reposition the text by dragging it to wherever you want the watermark to appear on the video. Once done, with the text still selected, scroll through the bottom toolbar and tap on Opacity. From here, drag the opacity slider to the left to reduce the visibility of the text. At this stage, find the balance where the watermark is visible enough to be seen, but subtle enough not to distract from the video itself. Finally, tap the check mark to confirm, and your watermark will now appear throughout the entire duration of your video. And that's it. If this CapCut guide helped you add a watermark to your videos, give it a like, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.